Today I want to go through and show you how to use split. Let's say I have these two surfaces and I want to split them, and I want to have this shape go all the way through here and union together to become one piece, but this here piece is missing and this is missing too. So to do that, let's go over here. We can type it in split, which is right here. So that's the command for it. And now we want to choose our part surfaces or curves to split. So this is our surface, and we want to split it with this right here, okay? And we want to keep both sides and trim tools. Finish that. So now we have three surfaces. So surface 3 we want to keep. Surface 2 is one we don't want to keep. So let's delete surface number 2. And to do that, we need to go to delete face, which is right here. So we're going to go click on surface number 2 and green check. Okay, now we have one more surface that we need to get rid of. Let's go over here to delete this face and get rid of that guy. But unfortunately, it deleted the whole thing. So it's apparently not split. Nope. Okay, so it did not split this entirely. So we need to do one more split. So let's go here. We're going to do the same thing. So we're going to split this guy now, and we're going to split it with this entity now here, and keep both. Okay, now we have the three surfaces again. We need to get rid of surface 2. So I clicked on surface 2 here, and now I can go over here to delete face and delete that face. It unchecked, so I just got to do that again, and there we are. Now we have two surfaces that are touching each other, but they're not unioned yet. So let's go to union, boolean, union tools. So click on 1, then 2, and then finish, and notice they're all the same color, and now we have one surface. And that is how you do split. Thanks for watching.